everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. So today I am sharing a really easy little gingerbread house treat holder, and I just put these candy canes in here, but I bet the small ones would be really cute in here. And I'm just using the stick ones because those were the ones that I found, and I love the green and red on these. But you can put any kind of little candy bars in here. The size is 1.5, it's 1.5 square. So you can stick in some little candy bars. Let me see, I have a little candy bar here. You can fit maybe 3 or 4 of these little candy bars in there. You can tie a bow around them just like I did this and put from our house to yours. I thought that was really cute. But there's a lot of things that you can fit in here. It's pretty good size. I mean, it fit, there's, let's see, 3, 6, 9, there's 12 of these little candy canes in here. So it fit really cute, but guess what I'm using on this one? Yes, the Coming Home Bundle again. And I've been using this a ton. If you saw my card yesterday, you would see that I use the same bundle. I just love this bundle, and I said before I hesitated on getting this, but oh my goodness, I'm so glad that I got it. There's so many cute things. So this is a little gingerbread house, and that is what we're making today. So what you're going to need for this is a piece of cinnamon cider cardstock. So this is what I'm going to stamp the houses on and emboss them. And then you need another piece that is 6.5 by 3.5, and this is for the box. Super quick and easy box too. I am using the Itty Bitty Christmas for the sentiments. You know, I love this one. It says from our house to yours. But if you want a different sentiment, you can put that on there. This one's cute too. Oh, what yum. But then here's the Coming Home Bundle. And I'm using this house right here. You'd have to change the size of the box if you want to use any of the other boxes, but I thought this would be super cute as a gingerbread. This one would be too, but it would be a little bit small. And then, of course, I'm using the dies, which are the Home Together dies, and this comes, you can get this as a bundle. You don't have to get the bundle, but you can get it as a bundle and save 10%. It's a really good one, y'all. I really love this one. I'm also using some of our braided linen trim, which is the real red. And you need a scrap of Whisper White for the sentiment. And I had that out here. What did I do with it? Did I hide it? Nope, there it is right there. So this is to stamp our little wreaths. And if you don't want the wreaths on there, you don't have to put them on, but I thought they added a pop of color and they're really cute. So I put those on the doors, and then we're just going to use this to cut out our little stitch shapes. I'm using the little square stitch shapes for that. It is a tongue twister. All right, so first thing we're going to do is we are going to use our embossing buddy, or you can use any static remover that you have, but I'm using this one because it's what we had. And Stampin' Up! Used to carry these, but we don't anymore. I need to get a new one. Mine's getting where it's not putting off a lot of powder. I don't know if they dry out or what, but so I'm going to use Versamark, and I'm going to use my white embossing powder. Make sure you ink it up really good. We're going to stamp 4 of these. You can do just 2 sides, but I thought it looked cuter after I got 2 on to add the other 2. So we are going to do 4. My Versamark also needs to be re-inked. I've been doing a lot of projects here lately. All right, we're going to do the white embossing powder here. And we are going to I like to put a lot on these. I usually do it a couple times on these so they're covered really good. I'll just do one more little time. We're going to put some more on here. All right, I think that's good. And if you don't know about this trick, these little Swiffer cloths are perfect for getting off your embossing powder or glitter. You need to get those because they are the handiest thing in a craft room. All right, we are going to emboss this. So I'm getting my heat tool and I'm going to get it really hot. All right, so if you do the back, it won't warp. It's really a good idea. I've done this several times and I found that heating the back first and then going on the top, and it makes it go a lot faster too. All right, so we have them all embossed. We need to bring the cut and emboss over here, and we are going to cut these all out. And I'm going to speed this up so you don't have to sit and watch me cut each one of them out. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 all ready to go. Aren't they cute? All right, so next what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab that scrap. We're going to stamp with Memento ink this little wreath. And this is what we're going to put on the door. And you need 4 of them. And I'm using, for this to color it, I'm just coloring it really light with the dark soft sea foam. So we're just going to color the leaves. And then we're going to do the real red for the bow. Super, super easy and quick. All right, now this does have a die for it. And by the magic of videos, I already cut out all 4 and colored them all, so you didn't have to watch me do that one, those 2. All right, but when I had that up there, I forgot to cut out for my sentiment, so I'm going to bring it back just really quickly one more time, and I am going to cut out that little square using our stitched shapes. All right, so all we need to do is cut out that little square right there. And then I'm going to stamp on the inside of that our sentiment, and I'm going to use real red for that one. And the sentiment says, "From our house to yours." I thought it was perfect because of this being a gingerbread house. All right, so we have that ready to go. I'm going to punch the corner of this with my little hole punch so we can string that ribbon through. All right, now let's get to the box. Super easy box. So we are going to score on the 6.5 inch side. We're going to score it at 1/2, at 2, 3.5, and at 5. And then you're just going to turn it and you're going to score it at 2. That's it. All right, so we are going to cut, this is the shorter side here, that's going to be our flaps. So we're going to cut that corner off there. We're going to just cut up each side, each one here of our flaps. And then I'm going to just cut in on 2 of these. And then that is it. I'm going to use my bone folder to sharpen all our score marks. And I'm going to use wet glue for all of this. I'm going to use wet glue on my glue tab right here. I'm just going to bring it around to meet the other side. These that you cut, tuck inside your box, and then we're going to glue the bottom. It doesn't matter how you glue this bottom part because you're not going to, there's not a front or a back to this one. All right, so there's our little box. Let's bring in our gingerbreads. Let's put all our little wreaths on the doors. And I am just going to add them here. But like I said, if you don't want the wreaths on, you can just leave them off. Now we're going to glue these all onto our box. Isn't it cute? So cute. And I should have brought some more of our candy canes, and I'm going to grab them really quickly. All right, so here are some more of the candy canes. I'm just going to grab a handful because it will fit quite a few. That's a little bit too much. I think that's good. By the way, I got these candy canes, I think it was at Big Lots. That's a store around us here. I don't know if it's everywhere, but that's where I got these. And I bought 2 things of them because I thought they were so cute. And I plan on making a few of these. All right, now I am going to add, I'm going to cut this first. These may go to my neighbors too. I usually make them a little package, so these might go inside that package this year. And then I'm just using this to tie it. And then I'll clip that in there again. Slide that up a little bit. And then we'll stick it inside our package. So cute. So there you have it. Really quick and easy. If you want a quick and easy one, this one is really quick and easy. Just the embossing, and the embossing goes so fast, you saw how quick it went. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and comment because it really helps my YouTube channel. And I appreciate y'all so much. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.